Masroor, you know you brought UDIRC and U842,
Yeah.
drone.
Yeah.
So we want to unbox it now, yeah. So I think we need one knife here, and I think these are the clicks here. So we are just going to unclick this one. Also, if you can, Masroor, show this picture, please. Yeah, this one. What it says over here. Right trigger. This is the remote control one, and this is the actually drone. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is in white color, and that is in black color. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we don't know what color we have here.
Yeah, maybe we could have two with different colors.
Oh no, it's gonna send one only.
Okay.
And also, if you can take this picture from here, it says 2.4 gigahertz. I think this is the frequency it is generated when we are trying to remotely control this one. And this is a 4-channel, and this is a low voltage warning LiPo battery. It has got video camera, 316 eversion, so it means it can flip around here there like in a 360-degree angle. Yeah. So let's see what we have now.
Okay.
Okay. You're very anxious, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Oh dear. Oh dear, I think this is the upside down. That was the right side basically. Yes, like that. Oh, wow! Wow, Masroor. Can you see the great packing? Yeah?
Yeah.
The packing is a very great.
And we even have the white color one.
And we have got the white one. We're lucky we have got the white one. Yeah?
Yeah.
And this is the remote control. Yeah?
Yeah.
Which we showed in the picture. And these are the propellers. You know what is this?
The protection of the propellers.
Yeah, propeller protection, wings protection, you can call it. Yeah, this is the one. And shall I make the photo and you can take the things out? So,
yeah.
And you can show one by one
Okay.
to the people, please. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Yeah.
So this is the drone.
Actual drone. Yeah.
So this is the actual drone.
Yeah.
And this is its camera.
Yes. Where is the camera?
Here. And you could put and maybe you could put the battery down
yes,
here.
should be. Yeah.
So yeah.
All right. We're okay.
This is the remote control of the drone.
Yes, this is the remote control of the drone. Yes, we need to put the batteries in it.
Yeah, this is where you could move
This
forward,
direction.
back,
Right, left.
those directions, and this is the front and like flips maybe.
This is the propeller.
Yeah, propellers.
Okay, for propeller.
These
Yeah.
are the like where you can maybe do flips, like for the where you
Yes.
can flip it.
With this one, it can be tilted. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
And this is where you could the camera,
Yes. Yes.
and this is the video one.
Oh yes. Yeah.
And I don't know really about that.
All right. No problem. We'll find out. This is
This
functions.
is the
Yeah.
speed.
This is the speed. Yeah. Okay. All right. And this is that's what I've already shown. Yeah. This is the protection. And what else we have got
Okay.
here? Please take them out.
So
Yeah, you can put it here if you like. Put it on your side. Yeah.
So inside.
Yeah. You can use knife if you want. Or shall I do it for you?
No, I can't.
No, from the other side. Yeah. Slowly. Do not hurt yourself. Do not hurt yourself.
Okay.
Be careful. Be careful. Give it to me. I do it for you. Yeah, you can just.
Maybe it's the tape.
Maybe it is a tape. Yes. Yeah, now you can show to the.
So
Please put everything here on the table, and one by one we can see what we will get it.
so this is how you're gonna connect them all
With the
together.
screwdriver, we
Yeah.
need this one, yes.
Yeah, this is the. If you're gonna make the like the video,
Yeah,
maybe that
it will be stored into this USB, yeah. All right, that's very good.
some extra wings.
Some extra wings in case of anything
it crashes.
broken down, crash, yeah. Very good.
The charger.
The charger, yes, we have got charger just like
Some-
Wi-Fi chargers, some
Yeah, some
screws, yeah.
Some screws and another extra wing.
And other extra wings. So basically we have got 2 set of this one, the red one, yeah, wings, and the other one we have got the white one, yeah, these
Yeah.
propellers, yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you think that? How do you find?
So the drone.
So what we will do, we will just assemble it in a minute, yeah?
Yeah.
Like in a 10, 15 minute, 20 minute, half
And
an
then we
hour.
should, like, make a
And then we
video
might have to
outside.
put the batteries on charging, yeah?
Yeah.
And then what we will do?
Make the video outside.
Where?
In the grounds.
All right, where is the ground? Do you want to show the? Oh yes. Oh yes, this is the ground. Yes. But there are trees, so you need to be a bit careful, I think.
Yeah, we need to be like in the middle.
Yes, we need to be in the middle, yeah. All right, okay. Say bye bye to the people, and we will. What we are going to do in the next video, we will assemble it.
Yeah, we will assemble it, charge it for a bit,
Yes.
and then show outside.
All right, okay. Thank you. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.